everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to build your own AI email sequence builder. This AI agent will help you write email sequences that flow naturally, keep people interested, and lead them to take action, whether you're launching, onboarding, or bringing users back. This is the prompt I will use. What I need is an AI agent that helps me create complete email sequences for launches, onboarding, or re-engagement campaigns. Of course, the agent should write clear and engaging emails. Also, the agent should keep a consistent tone, ensure each email connects naturally to the text, and it should also include personalization ideas and craft attention-grabbing subject lines. Let's see. So now our email sequence creator is ready. Let's try it. So this is the main chat section. Now let's take a look at the tools. Here you can add different AI tools from this list. And then also let's take a look at the triggers. Triggers are basically events that trigger your AI agent to run when something happens externally. You can add, for example, a Salesforce trigger, and that will send your email automatically. Then let's take a look at the settings. We have the name of the assistant, the description, the AI model which was automatically selected. You can select another one from the ones available on the platform, and the AI assistant instructions that are more complex than the prompt that I have used. You can also change this one if you'd like, and the visibility, private or public. Now let's go back to the chat section. This is the prompt that I have prepared. What I need is a 3-step onboarding email sequence for a SaaS product that helps marketers automate research. And the agent should keep it friendly and concise. Let's see. So based on our prompt, the agent gave us some campaign goals, brand voice, the sequence length, recommended, and target audience. So the first email is a welcome email. We have a send timing and the objective, of course, then the subject line and the preview text. Also, how to get your first win in the next 60 seconds, then call to action and different personalized opportunities. The next email is a feature deep dive, also with send timing when you should send this email after you send the first one. Okay, then a real user story. Okay, and other personalized opportunities. And then the third email, resources and next steps, when you should send it, the objective, the header, the body. Okay, then another call to action, personalized opportunities, a strategy overview, basically the flow logic, key success metrics, and the timing, some A/B testing recommendations such as subject lines, call to actions, and content, different ideas for personalization, and of course, since you want a better output, you should also have a better input. The prompt that I have used is quite basic, but of course you should mention for better results the name of the product, the key features or benefits, primary goal, target audience, or any specific pain points. And these are all the steps you have to follow. Now you'll have a complete email sequence that's clear, consistent, and ready to send without wasting hours. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials on different marketing use cases.